Coming for 235 Driving Park, 235 Driving Park for the robbery just occurred. Four-door vehicle, nothing further. One of the males was wearing a black hat, black hoodie outfit, and the gun was a handgun according to our call.
Yo, without which rat, I heard some hot shit. Troopers round the corner, hop in, spin the block quick. What happened?
Yo, they hit G, son.
That's who got hit. I find where that came from, son. Just let the clock tick. Games being played, that's what I'm not with. I'm way colder than niggas. I really come and drop shit. I know how to score. Box a coward in the corner.
Yo, come out the store, come here, son.
Yeah, nigga, you know what this for. Don't say shit, pull your phone out, get in his car. We went 5 streets down on the dead end. He working the spot. He was on the store run, go and step in. Turn the knob slow, move wrong, I knock your head in. I let you keep the dope, just show me with all the bread in. Saw the greed jump in his eyes, this nigga turning. Wolves eat, sleep, I'm out to burn him. It went smooth as my ad-libs be. 30 stacks in the vent, about half in D. Sip tied him new pipe, son happy to see the boy in his hand. He walked out laughing with me. My man came out the dark, pushed son in the dolphin.
I choked the nigga out, he wish he could have his protein. Had his feet dangling, take the boy out the boy jeans. I ain't burn a nigga in minutes, I'm trying to go green. About to set a fire so crazy, I'm leaving smoke rings. Put him in the trunk, he sleep, won't see the glow thing. Soon as he wake, I'm sending niggas to more dreams. There's plastic on the floor where we place and we keep the home clean. Niggas on boys with my cousin, they had it so free. Niggas OD'd, I'm crossing all of his codes. Ain't nobody telling me chill, they know I'm on freeze. Niggas popping pills and they popping niggas, they know G. Better leave them perks alone, you fucking dope fiends. Better leave them perks alone, you fucking dope fiends. Fucking drug addict ass nigga, man. It's my fucking cousin, nigga. Nigga, hold that, nigga. About to smoke you after I smoke one, nigga.